Oh, hello there. Sorry, you just casually caught me drinking some tea while the camera was rolling. So that way we could have this awesome spontaneous moment to create a genuine connection between me and you. Awesome. Never got why people did that. It's not a casual moment. I had to hit a button. I know the camera's rolling. Interesting thought. Just wanted to bring that across. Hey, all you awesome people. Wild here, and today I want to do something a little bit different. All the time I get compliments from people that say how I've transformed the way they approach painting with my tips, tricks, how-tos, and tutorials. And they say that it's the best place for advice, and that makes me feel really good, but I don't totally agree with it. Hey, best looking? Probably. Best hair? Most definitely. But best advice? Maybe. And the only reason I say best advice is because a brand new resource just became available for all you people that are interested in wet and wet oil painting, painting landscapes with oil like Bob Ross, that I want you to take notice of. One of my personal friends, Nick Hankins, has started doing live streaming of his landscape paintings on the Bob Ross channel every Friday. And I really recommend that you subscribe to the Bob Ross channel and tune into these live broadcasts that you can really learn a lot from. Now, if you're not familiar with Nick Hankins, he is actually a Bob Ross CRI instructor, been trained in this process to help you be better with your paintings. In fact, I've actually taken a lesson from Nick Hankins where I got to meet him and have a lot of fun, and to this day, we're still friends. So hello, Nick. So I recommend you tune into these broadcasts because during these broadcasts, you're going to get new information, new perspective, and new angles, and Nick is going to teach you what you're struggling with most and hopefully get you to crack through that barrier or plateau that you've been stuck at so that way you can progress with your paintings. These are awesome videos that happen every Friday. Now, right now, at the moment of recording this video right here, there's only a few episodes that you can check out, but go ahead and check them out. They're fantastic where you're gonna learn a lot more information. And the more people participate in the live streams, they'll keep bringing these out. So keep the dream alive and keep it growing strong where you can tune in on Friday. And hey, you know what you might see if you tune in on Friday? Me over on the right-hand side of the chat, keeping everything going. So if you see me, say hi, because I'd love to see you there. Now, when you get all this awesome information from Nick Hankins, you know what I want you to do? I want you to come back to my channel, because yeah, I need the support. Shameless promotion, I know. But I'm gonna do my best to give you tips and tricks and continue to give you tutorials that's gonna help you be bigger and better and build that confidence factor that you need to start your creative painting adventures. That's what I'm here for. And since I'm here for that, you can do me a favor and leave me a comment down below of what you struggle with, and I'll see what I can do to make a video on it. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And since I have you here, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put a video over to the side that gives you awesome tips to be a bigger and better painter that you can get a jump start on right now. So that way when you do watch Nick, you're prepared to be an awesome painter. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy my casual cup of drink here because I forgot what I said in the beginning, coffee or tea, because guess what? It's empty. Yeah, I'm spoiling a lot of YouTube videos for you. We planned for this type of content. Empty cup tastes delicious. I'll see you beautiful people all next time. Take care, and of course, peace.